wonderful people. Today I'm going to make fruit salad. This is watermelon. This is chief ingredients in this salad I want to make. I want to make fruit salad. My people, stay tuned, don't go away. And these are the other fruits. This is mango. I'm going to peel it and slice it. This is banana and apple. This is apple. I'm going to use 2 apples and strawberry and grape and orange. This is pineapple. I'm going to use this pineapple. Today is very hot, about 26 degrees Celsius. Everybody is going under the tree. I'm going to use this evaporated full cream milk to add to it. Everything is in the fridge. I just remove it from the fridge to make fruit salad, the chilled one for that matter. Stay tuned, don't go away. Wonderful people, it's time to wash our fruit. Let's wash our fruit with salt so that it will be thoroughly clean. Let's wash our fruit with salt. After washing it with salt, you rinse it. So that the salt will go out of its body, because salt is not good in human body. You have to consume salt in low quantity. Do not consume salt in large quantity because it's not good for our health. We are washing all the fruits in the salty water, even orange. I'm adding strawberry and the grape to wash also. These are grape and strawberry. I'm washing them in the salty water. After I will rinse it so that the salt will go away from its body. Strawberries, you have to cut off the heads so that it will be thoroughly clean. I'm cutting off the heads. It will be thoroughly clean. I'm adding it back in the bowl to wash it for a second time. This time around, you won't add any salt anymore. We are washing it again for the second time to be thoroughly clean. Anything you want to eat, make sure it's neat. Never you joke with anything you will add into your stomach. Anything you will put into your stomach, don't joke with it. See, very clean and neat. Very clean. Adding back everything to wash them for second time. Even the orange, we are washing them. We are washing all the fruits, even the orange. Time to peel our apple. We have to peel the back so that it will look nice in the fruit salad. Some people leave the back, but I like to peel out the backs from the apple so that it will look nice and clean. The mango. This is peeling of the mango. We are peeling the back. You see? Hey. Sorry. Peeling of the banana. Everything have to be peeled out so that it will give the nice taste we want. Banana, peel out. You have to peel apple out. Peel all the bats out. Peel all the mango out. Orange. We have to peel the orange. Peel everything out and cut everything. That is how we are making our fruit salad. You see, very nice. I have to start with the cutting of the mango, because you have to start with the one that don't normally put the dirt under the cutting board. We have to start with mango. So I am still on the cutting of the, what is the name of this fruit? The name is mango. So I'm cutting it. Time for apple. I have to cut apple. Remove the seed. You have to remove the seed. And cut the main fruit. The essence of cutting all the fruit to use it to make fruit salad is that in this dry season, or call it hot season, everybody is looking for where to chill down, because the temperature is too high. Fruit helps to cool the temperature down, the temperature of your body. So fruit is good source of vitamin. Everybody love it. We have to cut the fruit at least 3 or 4. Yes, 3. And remove the seed. These are the seeds from the orange. It shows that it has life. So I will throw it away and add the main orange in the bowl. It shows that it has life. Any fruit that have orange, it shows that it has life. Many fruits of nowadays, especially in the foreign country, they don't have seeds. So I wonder the type of fruit they are. So when you open it and it doesn't have seed, then it's lifeless. Know that is imitation. We have imitation fruits nowadays. So be careful of what you eat, what you add into your stomach. Be careful of that. Try to buy fruit that have life. Look at it, very nice. Now let me cut the banana. A lot of people like banana. So banana is the sweetest fruit children like. Let's add it in our fruit salad. Let's add it. Children like banana a lot, and a lot of adults like banana. When you add it, just start eating immediately, because sometimes it can change color. It can change color. I'm cutting the strawberry. Strawberry is nice, very good source of vitamin. and minerals. According to research, they say that eating of fruits and vegetables don't have limit. You can eat as much as you like. As much as you like. These are grapefruits. Grapefruits, you can cut it or you can add it like that. If you don't have many, you can add it or cut it. My advice is that when you don't have many, you will cut it. Some people like it to be cut. Some people like to eat it like this. So the choice is yours. The choice is yours. This is pineapple. Cutting of the pineapple. Most times pineapple in this country, European country, they don't have taste. They used to bite in the cheek. So our people that are residing in the Africa, you are very lucky. You eat all organic foods. But here, the pineapple, that's why I don't use to pineapple. When I want to add it in my fruit salad, I like to slice it very tiny so that other fruits, will cover it, because the taste is always sour and is biting in the cheek. The apple found in Africa, especially in Igbo land, tastes like honey, even sweeter than honey or sweeter than sugarcane. But here, unfortunately, not. This is the main chief ingredients, watermelon. Wow, a lot of people like it. Time to cut watermelon. We have to peel out the back, then cut inside. This back is so thick, almost all the fruit is out when removing the back. So we are going to cut it tiny, the size of other fruits. Remove the seeds. This one have seeds, which means it has life. You will see some fruits, they don't have seed. I wonder the type of fruit they are. Please, my people, don't buy such fruit because it's not nice. When you mistakenly buy it, throw it away because it's not original. Some people, they concoct all manner of things in the lab and they bring it out and they don't eat it. They don't eat it just for poor masses to buy. They don't eat it. So my dear people, when you open any fruit, if it doesn't have seed, that shows that it's imitation fruit. We have imitation everything, including animals and fruits. My people, I have cut everything cuttable. I have cut everything cuttable. Our fruit salad is about to be ready. Please stay tuned, don't go away. So I will turn it so that it will be evenly distributed. After that, then we open our milk and pour on top of it. Don't go away. I have opened evaporated milk. Now I have to pour it on top of it. I think it's okay. is okay, so that people will come and eat. I'll go and call out everybody to come and eat. It's very chilled because I first put all the fruit inside the fridge, so all are chilled. Chilled. Thank you for watching. Stay, please share. It's done. Our appetizer, dessert. Our dessert is ready. Lekker. Lekker, lekker. Ndewo.